Since Krishna is a cowherd boy,
Since Krishna is a cowherd boy,
he knew how to whirl the rod around.
he knows how to
Whirl the rod.
roll the rod around.
Even they in our village,
Even today in the village,
the cowherd boys are very expert at whirling the sticks and stick fighting.
and the cowherd boys are expert in rolling the sticks in stick fighting.
So Lord Caitanya was assuming that pastime of the cowherd boy.
So Lord Chaitanya was assuming the pastimes of the cowherd boy.
It shows also how on Janamashtami you can perform various dramas.
It shows also how on Janmashtami we can perform various dramas
And remember Krishna's transcendental pastimes
and remember Krishna's transcendental pastimes
and Vrindavan.
in Vrindavan.
They were observing the festival
So they were observing this festival
and performing a drama
by performing a drama
of cowherd boys,
of cowherd boys,
cowherd pastimes of Krishna.
cowherd pastimes of Krishna.
So you understand that Lord Chaitanya was absorbed in total ecstasy
So we understand that Lord Chaitanya was absorbed in total ecstasy
at celebrating this Janamashtami,
by celebrating this Janmashtami.
and it became a festival of Krishna's Janamashtami appearance.
And it became a festival of Krishna's Janmashtami appearance.
So on the day following the big festival
On the day following the big festival,
called Nanda Mahotsav,
it's called Nanda Mahotsav,
festival of Nanda Maharaj.
the festival of Nanda Maharaj.
And there he is giving charity out profusely,
There he is giving charity out profusely,
thousands of cows,
thousands of cows,
gems and jewels,
gems and jewels,
and fine cloths.
and fine cloths.
Astrologers came,
The astrologers came,
he rewarded them,
he rewarded them,
and heard the glories of his son.
and heard the glories of his son.
Now, his such Krishna all around, and all the cowherd boys would carry milk products.
So just like Balaram and other cowherd boys would carry the milk products,
Krishna and Balaram.
Krishna and Balaram,
Lord Caitanya and his associates were also enacting these pastimes.
Lord Chaitanya and his associates were also enacting these pastimes.
So you can see that Lord Caitanya very jubilantly
We can see that Lord Chaitanya was very jubilantly
observing this Janamashtami festival,
observing this Janmashtami festival,
dancing, and
dancing, and
somehow all the devotees became covered
somehow all the devotees became covered
with milk, yogurt, and turmeric water.
with milk, yogurt, and turmeric water.
They are enjoying these transcendental pastimes
So they are enjoying these transcendental pastimes
in remembrance of Krishna.
in remembrance of Krishna.